Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do French nails with chrome effect. So first I'm going to use this white gel polish by Cloudy and I'm going to take it out on the nail plate. You can use the silver nail plate as well. It's available on Amazon and also on AliExpress, but on Amazon it's a little pricey, but it's okay because Amazon provides a fast shipping. This is like really useful. You can put it on your finger and you can apply the French nails. Like so many people actually face problem in applying the French tips, so this is like the best thing to have. Okay, so now it's time to do the French nails. I'm going to use this long bristle brush, which is really essential to do French nails. Like if you don't have it, you really cannot do perfect French tips. I'm going to apply this chrome gel effect top coat on the nails, and it's by Daily Charm. Also the powder that I'm going to use as for the chrome top is also from Daily Charm and it's in the shade Ruby. You can go onto their website and you can search this, you can write Ruby on the search bar and you will find it out. This is really important to apply the chrome gel effect, because if you are going to put the top coat, which is of no wipe top coat, or the wipe top coat, it's not going to work. Like your powder won't stick well, so you really need that chrome gel effect top coat. Okay, and dry it on the lamp and then going to apply the powder on the nails. finally going to secure it with the no wipe top coat, and you can get it from Amazon, like any good quality. Vanavi, Lisa, Mocard, so many brands are there, you just can go there. And also Gelish is there too, so you can like try them out as well. I've mentioned all the links in the description box, you can check them out. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I hope you like this video, and if you liked it, then do not forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.